Ever wondered how much artificial intelligence impacts your daily life? Well, it's more than you might think. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has stealthily become a ubiquitous part of our everyday experiences, often in ways we don't even realize. It's like a silent partner, working behind the scenes to make our lives easier and more efficient. Take, for example, the social media platforms you scroll through every day. They use AI algorithms to curate content tailored to your interests. Or consider the email spam filters that protect your inbox from unwanted messages. That's AI at work too. And let's not forget about the online shopping recommendations that seem to know exactly what you want before you do. Yes, that's right, you guessed it, that's AI. The concept of AI isn't some far-off futuristic idea, it's here, it's now, and it's growing in importance every day. You might be surprised to realize that artificial intelligence is not a distant concept, it's already here, woven into the fabric of your daily routines. Imagine a home that anticipates your needs before you even realize them. A world where your home is not just bricks and mortar, but a responsive, interactive entity. This is the world of artificial intelligence in home automation. Consider the smart thermostat, a device that learns your preferred temperatures throughout the day, adjusting itself to create the perfect environment for you. It's not just about comfort, it's about efficiency. These clever devices can save energy, reducing your carbon footprint while also keeping your utility bills in check. Then there's the automated vacuum cleaner, zipping around your home, freeing up your time for more important things. It's not just a convenience, it's a luxury that also contributes to a cleaner, healthier living environment. Artificial intelligence is transforming our homes into smart, responsive spaces that cater to our needs and desires, learning and adapting to our routines and preferences. The future is now, and it's living in our homes, making them more comfortable, efficient, and yes, intelligent. No, it's not science fiction, it's your personal AI assistant. Imagine having your own personal secretary available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and never needing a break. That's the magic of AI personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These digital helpers have become integral parts of our lives, managing our schedules, answering our questions, and even controlling our home automation devices. Need to set up a meeting? Just ask Siri. Curious about the weather tomorrow? Alexa's got your back. Want to dim the lights for a movie night? Google Assistant can take care of that. But here's the real kicker. They're not just static pieces of software. These AI assistants are always learning, adapting, and improving. They learn from our behavior, our preferences, and our routines, getting better at anticipating our needs with each passing day. These personal assistants aren't just convenient, they're learning, adapting, and improving every day. What if you could predict the future? With AI's predictive analytics, you're closer than you think. Imagine a world where weather forecasts are spot on, where stock market trends are anticipated with uncanny precision. This is not a fantasy, but the reality we are stepping into, thanks to artificial intelligence. AI, with its big data crunching capabilities, is playing a pivotal role in predictive analytics. It's like having a crystal ball, but one that's powered by algorithms and data, not magic. This digital crystal ball sifts through mountains of data, identifies patterns, and makes educated forecasts. From predicting climate patterns to anticipating consumer behavior, AI is helping us peer into the future with ever-increasing accuracy. The implications are immense. Businesses can strategize better, governments can plan more effectively, and you at home can make more informed decisions about everything from your investments to your weekend plans. So while we may not have a crystal ball, with AI and predictive analytics, we're getting closer every day. As we've seen, AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a reality that's transforming our lives in countless ways. From the moment we wake up to the time we close our eyes at night, artificial intelligence is subtly weaving its magic in our everyday life. It's in the way our homes are becoming smarter, understanding our needs before we even voice them. It's in the personal assistants, always ready to answer our queries, schedule our appointments, and even remind us to drink water. And it doesn't stop there. AI is the crystal ball of our digital age. It's predicting patterns, spotting trends, and helping us make informed decisions. It's shaping the world one algorithm at a time. The next time you scroll through your social media feed, adjust your smart thermostat, ask Siri a question, or check your weather app, remember, you're interacting with artificial intelligence. It's not the future, it's now. And it's making our lives easier, more efficient, and more connected than ever before.